Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will be showing you on how to add filter in AppSheet. So first you need the data or a spreadsheet imported from your Google Sheets, and then from there you will be able to see the filter option at the top of our spreadsheet. So click on add filter and you can choose the column that you want to filter. Now I'm gonna choose the task, and you can choose the constraints in here. So there are a lot of options, but for example I'm going to use the start with, and I'm going to choose the P letter, and as you can see it only appears the project of the task since the first letter starts with letter P. And that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.